Hey everyone! If you're passionate about natural wellness and looking for easy ways to incorporate herbal remedies into your daily routine, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the incredible power of herbal remedies and how you can effortlessly add them to your life. Let's explore 8 amazing herbs that can boost your health and enhance your well-being. Ready to get started? Let's go! First up, we have peppermint. This refreshing herb is known for its soothing properties and can aid digestion. Try adding fresh peppermint leaves to your water or tea for a burst of flavor and relief. You can also use peppermint essential oil in a diffuser to invigorate your space. Ginger is a fantastic herb for combating nausea and aiding digestion. Incorporate ginger into your daily routine by adding fresh ginger to your smoothies or teas. You can also use ground ginger in cooking to add a zesty kick to your dishes. Next, we have turmeric, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your smoothies, soups, or even your morning latte. It's a simple way to harness its health benefits and add a golden hue to your meals. Chamomile is perfect for relaxation and improving sleep quality. Brew a calming cup of chamomile tea before bed, or use chamomile essential oil in a diffuser to help unwind after a long day. Basil isn't just for Italian dishes. It's also a great herb for reducing stress and enhancing mood. Add fresh basil leaves to your salads or sandwiches, or use basil essential oil in a diffuser to uplift your spirit. A lemon balm is known for its calming effects and can aid in reducing anxiety. Use lemon balm leaves to make a refreshing tea or add them to your herbal blends. It's a great way to bring a sense of calm to your day. Rosemary is excellent for improving concentration and memory. Sprinkle fresh rosemary over your roasted vegetables or use it in your cooking for a flavorful twist. You can also use rosemary essential oil in a diffuser for an aromatic boost. Last but not least, we have echinacea, known for its immune-boosting properties. You can find echinacea in tea or supplement form. It's a great addition to your routine, especially during flu season. And that's a wrap on the power of herbal remedies. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel inspired to incorporate these herbs into your daily routine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.